welcome to Kiss Crazy, and I was...
Oh my gosh, it looks like a wig. Look.
I can't with this child.
Let me just take it off.
You're just not pulling hard enough.
Let's see.
Do you feel better yet? Okay, anyway. One of our viewers asked us if we could do a prank. And we're not big on pranks, but we do.
My mom's not big on pranks.
Okay.
Mom.
They haven't done a prank either.
If we accidentally step on her toe very lightly, she freaks out like it's the end of the world.
That's not a prank.
Prank. Well, no, I'm just saying, like, if we do something very tiny to her, she freaks out. Like,
why would you go? Why can't you go and, like, get on each other? Why do you have to get on me?
Because it's Kiss Crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
What's wrong with you?
We used to do pranks a lot when we were younger.
People nowadays call prank.
We still sometimes do pranks.
People nowadays.
Like, I wish I got that one with the ketchup on video.
Oh my God, no.
Funny.
People nowadays call, let's jump off a cliff. It's just a prank. Stop crying.
That's not a prank. That's stupidity.
Exactly. Like, that's how it is on YouTube. They call everything a prank, and they actually do it. That's not a prank.
Okay, well, we did a video last year that we never posted, but it is a prank, but it's not. It's more of an accidental prank because we were actually filming a video, and we scared the crap out of my sister, and it was an accident. But hey, you judge. You see what it is.
If you really want us to do a prank, we'll do one, but it just can't be on my mom.
They're gonna be like, okay, do it on your mom.
Because I don't feel like, never too old for a spanking. I'm not
It's called running away upstairs, locking the non-existing door.
Mom is pretty quick.
Okay, well, here's the video. You tell us what you think. I'm gonna go and put the camera. Well, I feel like I'm gonna kill myself with all this stuff here and it's not on. It's stuck. Please be all the way quiet, Isis.
I apologize, Chrissy, when you wake up. So, when you see this video, or the bloopers of it, I apologize.
She was screaming. She was screaming.
I don't know, but she's got mad.
Okay, ready? Be serious.
Okay.
1, 2. Let's see if I can get it just right there.
It's a little too high on the green.
Okay, I can always. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Motherfucker. Oh my God, you really just taser me? Oh my God, oh my God, why are you scaring me? Oh my God, and you're filming me. Oh my God. I gotta be so bad. Oh my God, my hairs on my arm are sticking out because I got scared. It was actually really more funny than that because before we had to put the light on, she put it on like this so the light wouldn't bother her.
I was sleeping deep. My mouth is so dry.
Was our prank, and you tell us what you think. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.
It wasn't a prank.
It was an accidental prank.